letter E. My sound is E. Say E. Meet my friends. Engine, engine, engine. Say engine. The initial sound of engine is A. What are these? These are eggs. 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 Say eggs. The initial sound of eggs is A. Wow, I love to eat eggs. Hey, this is an elephant. 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 The initial sound of elephant is A. Now, let's learn the formation of letter E. This is letter E. It sounds E. Let's learn its formation. You will start from the dot, go straight, and then turn around. It's letter E. Look at the picture. Say engine, eggs, elephant. The initial sound of engine, eggs, and elephant is E. Say E.
Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more
Hello, dear
education.
students.